We got do the man. Can't nobody else do it, do the can. Hey. Hey. God is good, God is great. Thank you for this good, man. High five. Big man. We got us some Subway. And we got us some Michael Damian cookies. Got us some Michael Damian cookies too, y'all. We got us some Subway. Oh yeah. Yeah, do the big Subway sandwich. Break you a piece. Here you go. You do like tomatoes, don't you? Big man. I got it. That's a banana pepper. Okay. Okay. I kind of like them a little bit. You like it? Oh. Oh, another one. I'll eat it. Put it right down. Thank you. Want it back? Thank you. I'm gonna eat it. Okay? So I eat it. I'm gonna eat it? Yes or no? Look. I'm gonna eat it, okay? Yeah. Okay, look. Mm-hmm. You like them tomatoes, don't you? One bite? You want to taste some crunchy things? I like them crunchy things. I gotta learn what the name of them is. You know the crunchy things you put in your sandwich though? I love those. Hmm? Huh? Hmm? What you talking about? Say what? Hey man. Hey man. Hey man. What you talking about? You want a piece of your Michael Damian? Want Michael Damian? Get a piece of that Michael Damian. Like that, don't you? That's a cookie. Say cookie? That's a cookie. Can you say cookie?
No.
Say cookie.
What?
Cookie. Say cookie. Say I got a cookie. I got a cookie. Got us something to drink. Got some water, some lemonade. First we got Michael Damian. Where's the rest of your cookie go? Huh? My bad. Mind my business, okay? My bad. Good job with Michael Damian. Subway. You gonna share your cookie with them? Get him a piece of your cookie. Get a piece of cookie, dude. Say, here you go. Dude said, I'll tell him how, but I ain't giving him the cookie yet.